The name of the story is Anger. Harry's father was having a very tough time with his son. Harry was becoming famous in the neighborhood and at school for having a very nasty temper. He would start screaming and shouting and insulting people on the smallest of things. This naturally got his father very upset. But his father knew that if he were to go and talk to Harry about his temper, Harry would just get more and more angry. He knew that they would not reach any solution that way. Therefore, he decided to explain things to him in a different way. He gave a hammer and some nails to him and told him, "Whenever you lose your temper, I want you to hammer in one nail into the fence outside." Harry did not argue with his father and did as he was told. Since then, every day that Harry lost his temper, he would go and hammer in one nail into the fence. Within the next few days, there were 50 nails stuck into the fence and it looked really ugly. Slowly, Harry started to control his anger. His screaming started to become less and soon he was able to stop shouting and hurting people completely. Very pleased with himself, he went to his father and told him about the change. His father was very happy to hear that and told him, "From now on, you will remove one nail from the fence on the day that you don't lose your temper." Harry once again started doing what his father had told him. On the day he did not lose his temper, he would go and take out one nail from the fence. After 2 months, Harry again went back to his father and told him that all the nails have been removed and the fence was empty now. His father was again very pleased to hear that. He asked him to come to the fence. As they reached the fence, Harry's father asked him, "Son, do you see something different in the fence?" Harry looked at the fence for some time, but he could not understand what his father was trying to show him. Then his father told, "Look at the places where you have hammered in the nails. There are holes in the fence." Harry looked at the fence for some time. His father was right. He had indeed managed to take out the nails from the fence, but there were holes in all the spots where he had punched in the nails before. The fence looked very bad because of the holes in the fence. "You see, my son," his father continued, "this is just like shouting and insulting people. You may say sorry as much as you want later on, but the damage will always remain. So, it is better to not hurt people in the first place." Harry accepted what his father had to tell. He had learned a very important lesson that day. The moral of the story is, it is better to change before than repent later. Thank you.